welcome back to our third lesson in the series. Today we will be talking about increase and percentage increase and decrease. So this can be found either on the calculator and or the non-calculator paper. It is a fairly easy topic. It just kind of gets done wrong a few times, and it's just easy marks lost, to be honest. So the question we have got today is increase £279 by 17.5%. So typically the way people do it normally is 279 times 17.5, which is completely wrong because I'd be timesing 279 by 1,750%, which is 10 times over what we want. So the way we could do it, there are two steps. There's an easier and a practical way. So on the non-calculator paper, we can do 279. So 10% would equal 27.9, and 5% would give us 23.5. No, sorry, would give us 13.5. Give me a second. 27.5 divided by 2 would give us 13.75. And obviously 1% would give us 2.79, and 0.5%, 0.5 would give us, I'm not actually sure what that is, 2.79 divided by 2 would give us 1.395. Now, for the non-calculator method, this is one way of going about it, which I mean is decent, but it takes a fair bit of time, and there's a lot of ways to get this wrong. So what you do is you do 279 add 13.75, add 2 times 7.9, add 1.375. I'm not going to do it because. And you'd add that to 279, which would not be wrong, but it just takes up a lot of time. So there's a few ways which you could do it. I'm going to show you the Chinese box method today, which is my preferred way of doing it. You don't have to do it, it's just easier in my opinion, so see you in a second. Right, so that's the non-calculator method of increasing percentages. Is the Chinese box method, and this method is really good because the max multiplication you know is 9 times 9, and if you don't know anything above that, that's perfectly fine. I'm not going to go through it in this lesson, but I will certainly do a second video on how to solve it. Not solve it, use the Chinese box method, as it is quite a handy tool, to be honest. Since we do 0.2, which will be 2, 2, 1, 4, 1, 0, 0, 7, 0, 7, 4, 9, 3, 5, 0, 9, 0, 9, 6, 3, 4, 5. So we got 5, we got 3 add 9 add 12, 1, 0, 3, 9, 3, 9, 15, 24, 5, 2, 5, 9, 16, 25, 27, 2, 3, 10, 2, 0, 1, 0. Then 3. So we have got our decimal place here. So we've got 3, 2, 327.5. Which, if we type that into a calculator, 279 times 17.5. 279 times 1.175 splits us out at 327. 8.25, but that doesn't really matter. There's the proof. The method works. I was just being a bit silly with my calculations, but we're just doing it quickly, but it works. So yes, that is the non-calculator method for increasing percentages. Yes, in the next video we shall be doing how to do it for a calculator paper, which is quite easy, to be honest. So I'll also add in some decreasing in that video. See you in a second. Keep revising, get that grade 9. Yes, good luck.